Hello, this is Father Rowan Rebostilio, and I am a priest from the Diocese of Sorsogon, currently a resident guest priest at Christ the King Parish Green Meadows. Today we are celebrating the Good Shepherd Sunday, and our Gospel reading today is taken from the Gospel of John, which is, of course, the inspiration for the Sunday that we are celebrating today. In our Gospel reading today, Jesus Christ said, "I am the Good Shepherd." At meron tayong tatlong mga bagay na maaari nating pagnilayan sa ating mabuting balita ngayon about the Good Shepherd, who is none other than Jesus Christ our Lord. Of course, the first is security. So the Good Shepherd provides us with security. We are secure because we have a Good Shepherd who tends his flock, who never abandons his flock, who protects his flock against the enemies or mga wolves o yung mga magbibigay ng mga bagay na maaari nating katakutan at saka maging sanhi ng ating kapahamakan. So Jesus Christ, being the Good Shepherd, is our source of security. Whenever we are with the Good Shepherd, whenever we are with Jesus Christ, we will always be secure. The second point that I'd like us to meditate on is the Good Shepherd is providing us with that security that we need because He is in total solidarity with us. Remember that according to the same gospel in the prologue, Jesus Christ actually became the Word made flesh. So meaning to say, pinasok niya ang ating kalagayan bilang tao. In fact, sa letter na makikita natin sa New Testament, it's not just our human state that He entered into, but the state or yung condition ng pagiging slave, ng pagiging alipin. So it means to say, the lowest state of being human, yun ang pinasok ni Jesus. So with that, He is in total solidarity with us. Whatever we go through, whatever we experience in life, day-to-day na basis, nandyan ang Diyos kasama natin. So He knows our joys, He knows our sufferings, He knows our hopes. Sabi nga sa Vatican II document, Gaudium et Spes, the joy and the hope of everyone and the suffering of everyone in the world is also the same suffering of the church. The same because we have Jesus Christ, our Lord, who is our head, who is in total solidarity with us. So being the Good Shepherd, He is in solidarity with us, and that's why He protects us. He is our security. And the third point is about synodality, because that solidarity, that security that Jesus provides for us actually is about Him walking side by side with us. And what is really interesting in this gospel passage is Jesus Christ mentioning that there are also other flocks that He needs to tend. So ibig sabihin, it's not monopolizing His presence, but He is there for everyone. So it's about universality. And in synodality, it means to say that we have to walk side by side with everyone, across cultures, across age, across yung ating economic state. So, ibig sabihin na lahat tayo ay pantay-pantay, sabay-sabay na lalakad. Walang mauna, walang mahuhuli. Because Jesus also being the Good Shepherd accompanies us, walks side by side with us. So, as we celebrate Good Shepherd Sunday, let us always remember that Jesus being the Good Shepherd is the source of our security. Second, He is in total solidarity with us. And thirdly, He is really the source of our inspiration to be a synodal church. And we will walk together side by side, walang mauuna, walang mahuli, because Jesus is also walking with us.